welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So I am super excited. As you can see, we've had lots of changes going on with our channel. New subscriptions, new backgrounds, tons of giveaways coming up. So if you are new, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. And as always, please leave a comment with your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. And make sure to give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. As you can see, today we are unboxing the May 2019 Pin Culture wire ties box. So this was very kindly sent to me from Pin Culture. Thank you so much to review and share with you guys. And like I said, this is the May wire ties box. So if you actually were to subscribe now, you would not get this box. You would get the June box. And you would actually get it shipped out to you within 2 to 3 days of ordering. Recurring subscribers will get their June box shipped out about the 22nd to 26th of the month. And what is really awesome is this is a hair tie subscription for those of you that are not familiar with it. I will go over a little bit more in a few moments, but I have some exciting news. So she now has 10 different subscription levels. How awesome is that? And at the end of the month, at the end of June, there will be an 11th. So you will have 11 different choices to choose from for a hair tie subscription. So it can cover all of your needs. This subscription was started by a mom who noticed a real need for a continuous supply of hair ties, bobby pins, and things for her daughters, you know, when they were younger and in different events and always losing hair ties. I think this is a fantastic idea, especially if you do have daughters or if you just like hair ties and like putting your hair up and having cute things. I know I do, especially when it gets, you know, 97, 98, 103 degrees outside. I want to be able to pull my hair up and know that it's not going anywhere. And one thing I love is one of her subscriptions you can get just like bobby pins and hair ties, and you can tailor it to your hair color. So that's awesome. This subscription is the wire ties box. You get 4 to 6 wire ties every month. It is $11. It does have a value of at least $15, and free shipping is always included with all of her subscriptions. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. I do also have a coupon code that I will put down below if you would like to get 20% off of a prepaid 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. So thank you for giving us the promo code. We love promo codes. So let's get in here and see what May 2019 wire ties is all about. So is this bag not the cutest? And it was for like March and April. It had like bunnies and just the cutest spring, and now we're getting into summer, like hibiscus and this fuchsia color. It's gorgeous. These bags are so fun. Sorry, my allergies are acting up, so I apologize for the sniffles. All right. And first of all, this is one thing too that I love. She always wraps it up in the cutest tissue paper with like washi tape and just does a cute job. But we have a card here, so let's take a look at this first. I can get it out of the envelope. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh, that is a pretty card. That is a really pretty card. It says, thank you again for your support. Can't wait to see what you think of the May wire ties box, Christina. Thank you so much, Christina, again for sending me another box to review. I do truly appreciate it. It is becoming one of the ones I look forward to opening every month and seeing what you have come up with and you designed, and it's just always so fun. So let's actually get in here. So and the other thing I really like is all of your hair ties or bobby pins, whichever you may choose, come in this little pillowcase type thing. It's plastic, not like a bedtime pillowcase. But like this. So that's upside down. So you can keep them stored in here, which is fantastic. And if you want to throw some in your beach bag, throw some in your purse, a gym bag, whatever the case may be, they're not going anywhere. So I really do like that. We will look at those more in just a second. I think I just had a little sticker fall. So yes, the value of this month is $15. So here we have the card that comes in every box. And then her business card right here. So I can already tell I'm gonna like these. These are such fun colors, I can see. But again, this, if you see a little better that way, is the clear pillow box. That's what I said pillowcase, pillow box. These allergies have me so out of it. So, all right. So these are all kind of like a metallic shimmer color. Oh, one of them has like a little charm. All right, so first we'll start here with this one that is so pretty and one of my favorite colors. I love this because you can see it's really, really stretchy, and I can tell this is like going to hold hair. So that is super pretty. And then this one, this color is gorgeous. It's like, oh, I think of Merlot when I see this. It's just a really, really pretty color. And again, so stretchy. And then this one is like almost like a seafoam green. It is so pretty. And I love how stretchy these are. I mean, you have to think, these haven't been used or worn to be stretched out, and you can already, and you could wear it on your wrist if you wanted to. And it, is cute. Especially this last one. It's like a pale pink, and it has got such a cute little charm on it. Like a little gold and pink enamel charm. So pretty. And then you can see here the actual pink color. And super stretchy. I want to know how she gets those things on there. I would not be that talented. So, again, we have this super cute pink with the charm. So cute. The seafoam green. Again, these all have like a metallic type effect. This beautiful color, this, like I said, this is more of like, I keep wanting to say Merlot. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then finally this really pretty like teal aqua color. So that is the May 2019 wire ties box from Pen Culture. I'm put these back in here. I actually have all of the ones that she has sent to me still in their, well, the ones I haven't used, still in the original little pillow box, because it really, really does make it so convenient for storage, especially when, say you switch up your subscription. Say one month you have this subscription, but then you want to get a different one, especially now that she's about to have 11 choices. It just is so nice to have these with the logo so you know exactly what they are and you can keep up with them. So I think those are super, super adorable. So thank you again, Christina, for sending me another box to review. I do so greatly appreciate it. Again, you guys, I will put the link and that coupon code down below. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you with the next one.